Alright, so today I'm going to be putting in this, or finishing up installing this 500 gigabyte hard drive PNY I got over at Walmart for $48 into this MacBook Pro. So what I did is I took an external hard drive here and made a backup on Time Machine up here. Right there. It's a clock with a back with a counterclockwise arrow. That's what the icon looks like. And right here it says where your backup preferences are supposed to go. I recommend going into your system settings in your Mac up here, system preferences, and changing the screen so it doesn't time out, and changing the lock screen to not time out, and turn off the screensaver while you're doing this, because if you don't and your computer goes to sleep, the hard drive also goes to sleep when you're backing it up, which means your backup's not backing up. Alright. So from what I understand, you're supposed to go over here. Alright, you're supposed to close this out, power off the computer. Are you sure you want to shut down your computer? Reopen Windows when logging back in. Yes, shut down the computer. So from what I understand is you back up your Time Machine to the external hard drive, and then when we swap out the, why is that not turned off? Maybe it takes a minute for it to boot down. See that? That's weird. This Mac cannot connect to the iCloud because there's a problem. Okay. Later. Don't want to connect. I just want to shut down the computer. Alright, let's see if we can finish this up today. So I did start off with this, and you can tell the size difference, but I ended up having to go with this because this is an M key, NVMe M key, not M.2. Well, maybe that's, I don't know. Still haven't figured out what the difference was between one of those. All I know is this can only go into, an NVMe SSD can only go into a U2 adapter, not a SATA adapter. So we're just going to use this. I got this at Walmart for, what was it, $48.60? Something like that. Anyways, read-write speeds are right here. Uh, 550. Read 500. Read-write speeds are right here. I wonder if this thing will actually open. Yep. Yeah. Well, that works good for opening. Stickers. 550. Read 500. Right. And it even comes with the cable. Look at that. Boy, aren't they nice. And it's a 3.0. On the side, it looks like. Size comparison. Probably just turn this into a thumb drive. But look at this. Look at the difference in size. And they're both the same. Capacity. Look at that. Set that there. Alright, so we'll disconnect this drive. The external, which you put the time machine on, and then we'll disconnect the one inside and put this one in, and then reboot from the outside drive, the external drive. Since I didn't put the little things on there last time, or I didn't screw it back down, we can just open it up. And the hard drive. As we figured out last time, it doesn't need a it's the Phillips heads on this black rail here. This rail here. And they don't have to come all the way out. Size comparison from the one I took out, came with it, to the one that's going in. And it's a SATA. Wait, I think I'm supposed to put these little screws in there. Yeah, let's do that. Last time, or I didn't screw it back down. We can just open it up. That looks like the hard drive. Yeah, it looks like an Allen key. Let's see if I can put something else in there to get it out of there with. Yes, I have one. Too big. Still too big. Alright, so that is T6. one. Let's check to see if they fit first before we pull all of them out. Yep, fits. It's all in, doesn't look like it's gonna move anywhere. Perfect. Okay, plug it in. Alright, so we have Time Machine on here. We have the new hard drive in here. And when we press the fire it up, we're supposed to hold the command and the R button at the same time. Starting internet recovery. This may take a while.
Okay.
Alright. I
Oh,
believe when
great.
it goes to
My
this
bad.
screen,
Jeez.
the little world and the status bar, then we can
back in.
remove our fingers from the Command R.
You know what? I'm not even gonna fuck with it.
So it went to this screen here. Can you read that? Jeez. Alright, maybe not. Hold on a second. Alright. There we go. Let's see if we can just level this out. Alright. We're back. So that took now it's 6:46, so however long that was on the time lapse. Alright, now we have restore from time machine backup. Restore from time machine backup. Reinstall Mac OS. Get help online. Disk utility. Now, I know the hard drive that we just put in is not formatted for this machine. So usually you have to go into disk utility, erase the drive, name it, and then do the restore from backup or whatever so it can, so it can work. However, I'm going to try doing this first, restore from time machine backup, and then see if it'll prompt us to disk utility or just automatically erase it and then, do what it needs to do. So, restore from time machine backup. Continue. Restore from time machine. To restore your system from time machine backup or local snapshot, click continue and follow the instructions. Important information about restoring your system. Restoring will erase the selected destination disk. Use Migration Assistant to restore a new computer. To restore individual files, use Time Machine in the Finder. Okay, restoring will erase the selected destination disk. That's fine because it's a new one. So we'll just go to continue right here and click on that. Searching for time machine backups. Right here. Okay, select the disk that contains time machine backup or time machine local snapshots if you want to restore. If you have an external disk, you can connect it now. All right, so we have the external disk and it's already connected. And select this. Click continue. August 25, 2020. All right, 3:18 a.m. is when this finished backing up or when it started. So that was 6:49. It would be nice if it told me exactly what the size on disk was. We're just going to go ahead and do the latest one. Right there. Oop. one above it. Searching for disks. Select the disk where you want to restore your system. If you want to use an external disk, you can connect it now. Searching for disks. Did it recognize it? Crap. It's not seeing the internal hard drive. Give it a second. Maybe it's thinking. All right, let's go back to disk utility right here, and then click continue. All right, PNY internal, this one here. We're gonna select that one, and can we rename it? Oh, all right. Go up here and hit erase. This PNY CS900 500 gig SSD media. All right, so we need to put in a name. We'll just type Mac OS 500 GB SSD. Okay, can't mess that one up. Format Mac OS extended journaled. Mac OS extended, Mac OS extended journal. We'll just do that. And erase. Erasing PNY CS900 and creating Mac OS 500 GB. Erase process is complete. Click done to continue. And there's done. Used 1.9, free 719. Oh, wait. Let's go here. So now that this is created, 447, 499.32. All right, I believe we go here now. And then go back to here, restore from time machine backup. Click continue. 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 Select the newest backup. Continue. Restore destination disk Mac OS 500 gig. $4.99. Select that. The system will be restored onto this disk. Check, check. Click restore. The disk SSD will be erased. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes, we are sure. All right. Boy, that only took 2 days. Preparing Macintosh HD. Alright, time is 6:55, and I'm gonna let this sit and we'll be back. Alright, we're back for an update. Alright, well, it's saying 8 hours now. So 8 hours and 7 hours is 15. So 8 hours to restore 500 gigabytes. 15. We'll be back at 1500, which is 3 p.m. Alright, so we're almost done with 5 minutes left on the clock here. Time remaining 5 minutes. We're at 475 gigabytes at 11:53. So we're almost getting this done 3 hours sooner than what it originally stated. And it looks like it's done. It's restarting at 11:55. Alright, gotta sign in. Did it die? So that took what, 5 minutes to boot? That's still slow. We'll try it after I can eject this hard drive. I don't know if you can see this, but it's still spinning. Oop, not spinning. Alright. This is so trippy on Macs. If you want to eject a drive, you have to take it down to your trash can. But a little eject symbol shows up down here. That's it. And then you wait for this to clear off the screen, and it will be ejected. Alright, now let's turn it off and then reboot it. Or restart it. We'll shut down at 12. Are you sure you want to shut down your computer now? Shut down. Still have that little cursor up here. We still have power on the drive. Alright, power finally went off at 12:03. I'm gonna disconnect this drive. Go ahead and start it back up. See how long it takes to boot. 12:03. Booting. Well, that definitely looks a lot quicker. Down here on the status bar is loading faster. Logging in. $12:04. And I'm gonna say like a minute to boot. Well, that's it. It's quicker. Peace.